Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to find your bank statements on the USAA app in 2025. If you're a USAA member, whether you're in the military or a veteran, managing your finances just got easier. Bank statements are essential for tracking expenses, preparing taxes, or spotting any unusual activity, so let's dive right in and get you sorted in no time. First things first, make sure you have the latest USAA app installed on your smartphone. Open it up and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on the home screen, which shows an overview of your accounts. Tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom. This is where the magic happens. Next, select the specific account you want to view statements for, like your checking or savings account. You'll see a detailed page with your balance and recent transactions. Now, scroll down or look for a menu icon, usually 3 dots or lines in the top right corner. Tap that, and a drop-down menu will appear. Look for options like Statements or Account History. When you select Statements, you'll be taken to a list of available statements by month or year. You can choose the one you need, and the app will let you view it directly or download it as a PDF. It's that straightforward. If you're having trouble, double-check that your app is updated, as USAA rolls out new features regularly in 2025. One quick tip. If you can't find what you're looking for, use the search bar at the top of the app. It might save you some time. Also, remember to enable notifications for important updates on your statements. There you have it. Finding bank statements on the USAA app is quick and hassle-free. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay savvy.